I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select MailPoet. Choose a form. Next. Search and select MailPoet. Connect. Next. Choose Actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailPoet Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailPoet. Thanks for watching.